2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. I'm going to show you how to take out this door gasket. Fairly easy. Open up this little door right here, and that's going to expose the 10mm bolt, and then we're going to pop this back and yank that seal. Mr. Josue is doing that right now. Just an FYI, a lot of these are coming super tight from the factory, so you might need to get a wrench and do it by hand. I mean, really tight. There we go.
Up and back.
Just peeling it back, and then he's just gonna yank that seal out.
Oh, it's got to come out.
There's a little clip right here that you gotta release the tension, and that's gonna allow you to yank this out. Here, you can use this. Flat panel tool, just releasing that clip right there.
I need the one with like the little forks.
Oh,
I think that one.
hold on. Santa's box, this one? Open that up a little bit. There.
Huh?
I think so. There. Go. There we go.
No space.
Some room right there. Yank that seal out. Ready for bottom loading. Good job, sir.